Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Content Studio and Blaze AI. So to get started with a quick overview, Content Studio is a comprehensive social media management platform that combines scheduling, analytics, and content discovery together with collaboration. It's built for agencies, brands, and content teams managing multiple channels and campaigns. Talking about Blaze AI on the other side is an AI-powered content repurposing platform that transforms existing content like blogs, posts, podcasts, YouTube videos, and newsletters into engaging social media format, including the carousels, LinkedIn posts, Reels, and more. So it also focuses on an AI-driven creation, not for post scheduling. Now, here's what these two platforms are best at. So, we're talking about Content Studio. Content Studio is usually best for agencies and marketers needing all-in-one social media publishing and monitoring and analysis. So talking about the Blaze AI on the other side, Blaze AI is best for creators, marketers who want to automate content creation from existing assets. And here's the downside about these two platforms. Starting with the content studios with the downside. So the downside of this platform is it has no AI content proposing features and also can feel heavy for solo creators. And talking about the downside of Blaze AI, no post scheduling, analytics, or social media inbox. And also the pricing can be steep for high volume users. And here's the overall conclusion about the review. So you can simply go for Content Studio if you want a complete social media management suite with a powerful publishing, analytics, and collaboration tools. Then on the other side, you can just go for Blaze AI if you already have a content and need to automate it by transformation into a high performing social post, especially for platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube Short. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.